Hello! Today we'll be learning a new step called frappé, which means to strike. Frappé is a sharp movement that is almost always done at the barre to help improve quick and precise movement of the lower body. This step will be especially helpful in preparing us to jump. This is what it looks like. Always make sure that the ball of your foot is striking the floor and then coming to a fully pointed position before it returns to a flexed foot. We will begin in a third position with the right foot in front. To prepare for this exercise, we will tendu à la seconde on count 7 and then flex the foot on 8. When you bring your foot to a flexed position, make sure the toes are pointing out and the heel of your foot should be placed on the ankle of the standing leg. We will begin by doing frappé to the front. Brush the ball of your foot on the ground, point your toes, and then bring it back to the flexed position. We will then do one frappé to the side. Ball of the foot, point, and flex. We will then do one frappé to the back. Brush, point, and flex. And then one more to the side. Ball of the foot, point, and bring it back to a flexed position. Let's try it to the other side with counts. Beginning with the left foot in front, you'll tendu side on 7 and then flex the foot on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great! Let's try it with music, starting on the right and then to the left. Ready? Prepare 5, 6, tendu 7, 8. Frappé 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie sous-sus. Other side, tendu 7, flex 8. And frappé 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie, rise, and turn, and finish. Great job! You have learned how to do frappés. Remember that you have a sharp striking motion when doing this step, and that a frappé is done to prepare you for jumps. Keep on practicing! Now that you have learned how to do a frappé, we are going to combine that with the previous step you learned in the novice level called Grand Battement. In this exercise, we will begin side to the barre with our right foot in front. Here is what it will look like. If you are still feeling unsure about doing a frappé or need some time reviewing Grand Battements, feel free to go back and practice. Ready to learn the combo? Let's do it. This combo will be combining frappés and Grand Battements. This exercise will be done on each side in 2 counts of 8. We'll start with the right leg in front and prepare by tenduing on 7 and flex 8. You will then do 2 frappés front. Brush 1 and brush 2 and close third. And then do 2 Grand Battements, 3 and 4. Making sure that the second Grand Battement finishes in the flex position. You will then do it to the side and to the back. Ready? 2 frappés to the side and 2 Grand Battements. 2 to the back and Grand Battement. Flex. 2 to the side and Grand Battement. We will then go to the left side, completing the same exercise with the left leg in front. Let's try it to the left with the counts. And frappé 1 and 2, Grand Battement, and 4. Flex. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's now try it together with music. Ready? Tendu 7, flex 8. 1 and 2. Grand Battement, flex. Side. 2. Grand Battement, flex. Back. 2. Grand Battement, and up. Side. 2. Grand Battement. Great, let's do the left side. Tendu 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job! You have now completed both frappés and Grand Battements within the same combination. Always remember to keep the ball of the foot brushing and striking the ground, and that you fully point your toes at the end before you return to a flex position. Keep up the great work!